Hi everyone. Today I want to tell you something about the salient object detection in mobile applications. Some showcases and background technologies will be shown. Mobile applications that running on a small handheld mobile device has developed rapidly because of its movable and accessibility. At the same time, the improved hardware also provides better support for mobile computing applications, such as chips with stronger computing power, high-resolution screen, and larger bandwidth wireless network. Mobile computing applications have become an indissoluble part of people's lives due to its low cost, easy operation, and user-friendliness and diverse functions. The popularity of mobile phone applications allows new technologies to be applied in daily life in a timely manner. Recently, a futuristic technology video that blurs the boundary between virtual and reality has become popular on Twitter. In this video, the developer used his mobile phone to photograph the real objects around him, and the mobile phone immediately picked out the most outstanding object from the screen. And then he pointed the camera of the phone at the computer screen, and the object he picked out just now was automatically added to the Photoshop running on the computer. This whole process is fully automated. Without the help of any tools, the image just taken by the presenter appeared exactly on the screen position he was aiming at with his mobile phone. Through the animated picture on the presentation, we can observe that the presenter mainly uses the installed application of the mobile phone to capture the object and then interact with the computer. The captured picture can appear directly as an illustration in an open document on the computer, or it can only appear as a picture in the computer's picture editor. As mentioned before, in AR cut and paste, they need to detect the salient object. It can be shown in the left picture. The user takes a picture and then the mobile application detects most important object in the picture. Finally, the user moves the picture to his computer. The mobile applications named AR cut and paste helps save time to access pictures from the real world. And why the applications that AR cut and paste are created in these years but not in 2010? Some research shows that one of the reasonable answers is that some key algorithms developed in these years really help with to create these applications. In AR cut and paste application, the salient object detection algorithm help get the most important object in the picture, and there are mainly two ways to implement this algorithm. One is the traditional method, and the other one is deep learning method. The algorithm in traditional method are usually implemented before 2008, and deep learning method is very popular in these years. The difference between these two methods is whether it needs preconditions, and we will discuss more details about traditional method such as SIFT, called Swift algorithm, and deep learning method Bayesian algorithm. Traditional salient object detection has its limitations because it is sensitive to the resizing and rotating of the aiming object. This limitation makes it hard to apply these kind of algorithms in mobile computing because the sensors of the mobile devices are in the changing environment. SIFT algorithm enhanced the object detection process and can do well when the object rotates or resizes. Also, this method can perform well even though there is some noise point in picture. And there are two mainly implement details of SIFT algorithm. It detects the interesting points in the picture and gets the stable points of the object. What's more, this algorithm tries to describe more local features to the picture. It uses the vector to describe the local features of the picture and stores it. These two mechanisms make this algorithm more robust. With the development of deep learning neural network technologies are used in salient object detection. In deep learning method, to detect the salient object is simple without any prediction. The BaseNet algorithm has excellent performance for the SOD. It has two implement details. One is optimization of the saliency detection network structure, which divided into two parts, predict network module and residual refinement module. The other is hybrid loss. BaseNet can focus on the three different levels of saliency information, which allows BaseNet algorithm to obtain more accurate saliency results. From this picture, we can know results of BaseNet can meet most of the applications of salient object detection. In this presentation, we have shown the development of mobile computing and a significant application called AR cut and paste. We then tell some details about the salient object detection with two outstanding algorithms, which is SIFT and BaseNet. We are sure that the mobile computing areas has a good prospect for future development. Thanks a lot.